from Postman? Raise your hand. Nice, nice, nice. Who here is not from Postman? And everyone who is not from Postman is a developer? Yeah. Nice. Cool. Very cool. So yeah, we got some cool talks for you tonight. If you're interested in getting in on the developer community, Slack going. You can join it at slack.javascript NYC. Other than that, that's all we got. I believe, is Will here? Does he want to say? What's that?
I can say a few words if you guys want to get started.
Sure, yeah.
This is Gerstman. It's a software engineering immersive residency. Everyone that you see back there is building really cool projects. The program itself focuses on full stack JavaScript and is very project driven. We actually have a couple of guys in the audience. I won't put you guys on the spot, but they were responsible for building some awesome, very compelling open source projects, and that's a big focus here. So this place is very open and welcoming to all engineers and developers who have great innovative ideas. So stop by anytime. We do tons of meetups ourselves. A lot of them focus on core JavaScript fundamentals, but we also do a great women in software engineering meetup and a React and Node meetup every month. So keep a lookout for those. But thanks for being here and great meetup.
Thank you. Yeah, so first off, we got Darko. Do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?